Ever wondered how a court decision can impact the way estate tax valuations are made? Today, we're taking a deep dive into a recent U.S. Court of Appeals case that's made waves in the world of estate planning and tax law, Conelly versus United States. Our story starts with two brothers, Michael and Thomas Conelly, the only shareholders of a company called Crown Sea Supply Inc. This company, which sold roofing and siding materials, was closely divided between the brothers, with Michael holding about 77% and Thomas 23%. The brothers had a stock purchase agreement in place which required the company to buy back shares upon a brother's death. This was funded by a $3.5 million life insurance policy on each. But when Michael passed away in October 2013, things got complicated. Crown repurchased his shares for $3 million, funded by the life insurance policy, with the remainder going towards operations. But then the IRS stepped in, assessing over $1 million in additional estate taxes. Thomas, acting as executor, challenged this, arguing that the company's buyback obligation should influence the shares' valuation. The core of the legal debate was whether their buy-sell agreement could lock in the share price for estate tax purposes under Section 2703 of the Internal Revenue Code. The district court decided it did not, as the agreement lacked a fixed price or clear valuation method and did not meet the criteria of a bona fide business arrangement or resemble arm's-length transactions. Another point of contention was whether life insurance proceeds should be included in the company's valuation. The district court ruled these proceeds must be considered, viewing the redemption obligation as an internal fund transfer rather than a true liability. This contradicted a previous decision by the 11th Circuit in a similar case. This verdict was upheld by the 8th Circuit, affirming that life insurance proceeds should indeed be included in assessing the company's fair market value for estate taxes. This decision illustrates a notable divergence in judicial opinion on how life insurance proceeds are treated in valuing closely held corporations for estate tax purposes. So, what's the takeaway from all this? The Conelly decision underscores the vital role of precise and enforceable buy-sell agreements in estate planning. Without a clear price or valuation methodology, and with differing judicial interpretations regarding life insurance proceeds, you could be looking at substantial tax consequences. This ongoing disagreement between different circuits suggests the potential for further legal reviews, possibly even by the Supreme Court, to resolve these complex valuation issues. That's all for today's deep dive. Stay sharp and well-informed by understanding your liability, risk, tax mitigation, and exit strategies. When it comes to estate planning, the details make all the difference. Reach out to us for a complimentary comprehensive business evaluation.